Elias Northway Ford Lincoln, what I've got for you today. This is my mother's 2017 Ford Focus with the 1 liter 3-cylinder. And it's a great commuting car, though she does tell me she does get a little bit bored of it. Well, why does she get bored of it? Because she doesn't know what this little S right here stands for, okay? S, for some people, for most people in their Ford, is going to mean select shift, all right? So when she's bored and wants to play around with those gears but doesn't want to use a clutch, that's why she committed to an automatic, as you see here. She can put it into that S. Select shift gives you the option to manually upshift and downshift through the gears as you would in a manual without moving it all over the place, without burning through the clutch, none of that. So all you have to do, you probably can't see down there, my foot is going on the brake, bring it down past the D into the S. In your little information cluster, you'll see the S becomes illuminated in orange. Bring it back here. Now, as you accelerate, you're gonna hit when your RPMs get high enough, you don't ever want to do it too soon or too late, but you hit the plus to go up. Now it tells you you're in gear 2. If I press it again, it's not going anywhere because it knows that's not a good idea. It's saying, Mac, what are you doing? Why do you want to do this to me? I'm just a little EcoBoost, and that's okay. I'm not too concerned about that, but okay, you definitely don't want to start at idle and go into the second gear. Your RPMs will go too high. You will hurt your transmission. You want to bring it back down, and it'll tell you, like, thank you, Mac, I'm in S1 now, select shift gear number 1, we're good to go. As you're driving, you can go all the way up to 6. It is a 6-speed transmission, and believe it or not, it does have clutches. It's a dual clutch, dual dry clutch system internally, but your foot doesn't have to do any of that clutch work. So this has been Mac Lias on the select shift option, available in most, if not all, newer Fords. If you didn't know what that S is, now you do.